Now let's see the linear programming of this furniture dealer. It finally transforms to a mathematical formation of solving maximize z, which was the profit function 250x plus 75y, subject to the constraints 5x plus y less than or equal to 100, x plus y less than or equal to 60, x is positive, y is also positive. Thus, we solve it by a method called graphical solution. Looking at x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0, I am taking only the first quadrant. I am releasing the second and third and fourth quadrant where negative values are being considered. Because in the first quadrant x is positive, y is positive. Let's take this equation 5x. On forming a table value for x and y, consider y is 0, x will be 20. Consider x is 0, it will be 100. Thus, by joining 100 and 20, this 100 and 20, I get a line. This line represents our 5x plus y equal to 100. Looking at the inequation less than or equal to 100, we have to find out a point separated by the region belonging to this line, this region or that region. I find 0, 0 is one favorable point. Substituting 0, 0, find 0 plus y, that is again 0. 0 is always less than or equal to 100. The region belonging to the region where 0, 0 belongs is to be shaded, so that the shaded area is this area. In fact, I have to shade it. Let me shade only this part in the first quadrant. This is the area where all points will satisfy 5x plus y less than or equal to 100. Now let's take x plus y equal to 60 and solving this again by points. When x is 0, y is 60. When x is 60, y is 0. So it's a problem of solving or joining 60 on x-axis, 60 on y-axis. I find these are the 2 points. I have to join them. Again, we see that this line represents x plus y equal to 60. Again 0, 0, if I take the point, 0 plus 0 is less than 60. Again, the area below on this region is always to be shaded. By shading, suppose I shade by a kind of a cross line like that. This is the shaded area in the first quadrant. Now, common to both, I have this point which is 0, 60. I have this point, I have 20, 0, common to both, and I have a point here. I have to find out common point to both, which is 10, 50. That is, this 10, 50 is the common point. Hence, the common region belonging to both must give values for x and y which will satisfy both the equation. Among them, one of the value will maximize a value of z. Which value? Now, these points belonging to these corners of the shaded portion, and that shaded portion is totally called feasible region, which is common to both. Now I find this feasible region is bounded by both the line, or all the 4 corners. When you join, it forms a convex polygon. Hence, it is a bounded region. The corners are, it is 0, 0 is first corner. Then second corner is 20, 0. The third corner is 10, 50. And the fourth corner is 0, 60. Here, this area is not common, this area is not common. Hence, these corners are called vertex of the feasible region. They are called vertex of the feasible region. Now, we go to the next level of trying to find out which values of this corner will give you maximum value for Z.